Go to the Canva website, www.canva.com, and sign into your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Canva homepage. Click on the Create a Design button in the top right corner. This will open the design editor. Now click on Text, which will appear left side. A text box will appear on your design. You can click inside the text box to start editing the text. Customize the text by selecting it and using the toolbar at the top. Change the font size, font color, alignment, spacing, and other formatting options. Position and resize the text elements by dragging them on the canvas and using the corner handles to adjust their size. You can also apply additional styles and effects to the text by using the options in the toolbar, such as adding a background color, applying a text shadow, or changing the text's transparency. Hope you like the video. Subscribe.